Okay, in this video, I'm going to be covering the update and my opinion on it, what I think is going to happen. So, YouTube is releasing an update which states that it requires creators to upload original and authentic content. So, this is what's already in place. What's new is that they're looking to better identify mass-produced and repetitious content. That's the new part, and that's the thing that I want to talk about. And are you going to be affected is a very good question. So let's go over to here. Yeah, here it is. So we don't need this. Alright, so let's go over to here. And this is the main guy who I want to refer to as repetitive and like mass-produced content. Boring history. Now this is it's not his channel. He said it's one of his students or someone he knows, but he shows the earnings, and this is just seems to be abuse of the system, because this is I believe this is what they're going to be attacking, because the content is able to be mass produced. It's pure AI scripts, pure AI voiceover, but in a way it is original because every story is different. They don't care. I don't think they would care. And the real issue is, if we click into the video,
why is Amazon?
And we just look, entire video is you have a little bit of like changing in imagery, which is good, but then towards the end, at least 20-30 minutes in, that's it, black screen. This is mass produced. This is what they may be attacking, and it seems to be like timed properly with the rise of these AI sleeping channels and these music channels and all of these. And I can give you another example. Afrobeats, I believe they use AI music. Like, you use an AI music maker and you just pump out simple videos. If you look at the videos, every video is repetitive. We can show you right now. So, frick the intro, but every video has a saying Afro House in the middle, and has a bunch of clips which is obviously looped after like 30 minutes. Like, you can find the loop. Like, I'm pretty sure I just found it. You saw this clip and I literally just found it. So after 30 or so minutes, the video gets looped and that's it. Or they loop it after 10 minutes, and this is repetitive content. Every video is the same, and obviously 6.5 million views, 1 hour long videos, just like this guy. Well, this guy does 6 hour, insane RPM. They're monetized, so I don't know what's gonna happen. I believe this is what's being affected. If it doesn't get affected, research the niche. It might be a banger to get into. Not this one. This one's a little bit tapped. Now I want to get into shorts. This will not get affected. Every video is different. Now, sure, you can say it's repetitive style. Like, a lot of people have a set style that they use. They go viral with. It's a repetitive style. This will not get demonetized because you have fair use on your side. That's a US law. They can't do anything, so this will never go away. Commentary shorts, any commentary over anything will never go away, like POV biker, like all of those different types of commentary over specific niches. It will never go away, so this is 100% fine. Something like ranking, I also don't think this is repetitive too. Sure, it's the same style, but a lot of people use the same style to go viral. I mean, a lot of YouTubers, like big known YouTubers, say to learn a style and to set a style for your audience, so they recognize you when they scroll or when they see you on the YouTube homepage. So the only issue is that this just breaks the rules. This is just reused. Okay, this is not tailored to this update, which it says mass produced or repetitious. This is just reused. This is just unoriginal. Like, this is like before this update was even out. So to get past this, nice voiceover, a few sound effects, not everyone gets monetized in this niche. And then something like this, whatever, these AI stories using AI images, this is not, now, I don't think this will be affected because every story is different. Every story takes time to create. They're not going to attack you because it's repetitious content, because it really isn't. If you show each story, you show what goes behind the making of each story, I think it's fine. And a lot of people say AI voices. AI voices will not get you demonetized, or AI scripts. I don't think they can check it, please. Even if they do, I saw a tip from another YouTuber, I don't remember who he was, to use a better AI, not ChatGPT. Use like a more advanced AI to make your scripts, or prompt it better. Make an insane prompt, or have ChatGPT make you an insane prompt, work with it after a couple hours, and reuse the same prompt. And 11 Labs, if you've seen 11 Labs and the amount of voices on 11 Labs, there's a lot on 11 Labs. So, let's see if we can get to it. There's a lot of different voices that you can explore and use, and I guarantee they cannot detect half of these, okay? They can only detect the most known ones, like the Adam, like the big TikTok voice, or like Alex, that one everyone on commentary shorts uses. But half these voices will not be detectable. That's why 11 Labs is fine, AI scripts are fine, AI images are fine. They're avoiding mass-produced. I think they're going to be attacking the long-form sleeping stories, or those, or it could be those, like, if you know the satisfying gameplay, brain rot shorts, if you know what those are. But that's what they are going to be attacking. Shorts will most likely be fine, and I think the update is just going to be a scare tactic. They can't really do that much damage because it just will ruin their creator base, and the creators run YouTube. They can't do that much, so I wouldn't be too worried. I would keep posting, and remember, there's someone bigger that's going to lose more than you, so they're going to find the way to survive, and you will just copy what they do in every single niche. Even someone like Boring History, he will figure it out. So stop being scared and just start posting, because you have nothing else to do, so get to work.